Hi, I'm Oscar, working on behalf of Adept, and I'm joined today by Matt from Cumbria County Council, who's going to talk about the Live Labs project that he's been working on. Hi, Matt, how are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
So can you quickly tell us a bit about yourself, your role, and the Live Labs project that you're involved in?
So I'm Matthew Wanning. I'm project lead in the capital programme team. I'm the project manager for the Live Labs programme, which is looking at plastic in the roads.
Okay, and the expected benefit of plastics in the road, what are these?
So the project's looking at the sustainability and suitability of using the plastics. So the products used are made entirely from waste plastics, either destined for landfill or incineration. So the benefits we're looking at is not only from a carbon saving point of view of reusing waste plastics, but it's also taking out some of the bitumen in the asphalt mix. But then it also looking at saving money from authorities from a waste disposal point of view as well. So rather than paying for materials to go to landfill or incineration, we can actually reuse it in saving some of the revenue stream as well.
Brilliant. And I've heard the project's got a bit of national and international interest.
Yeah, that's correct. So we've been working with MacRebur now for several years before the Live Labs project commenced, and we've got a lot of interest from, as you say, from the UK and internationally. So that's from academic point of view, contractors, as well as various other private sector organisations, and a huge focus from local authorities as well. That all sees the benefit and the real potential that this project has.
Fantastic. And we'll be able to learn more about the Plastic Roads project on the Live Labs Expo, which is hosted this coming December 2nd. Thanks again, Matt, for your time.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you.